It's a deadly illness spreading throughout New Mexico, and you may have a hand in preventing it. Action 7 News reporter Laura Terrain spoke with a doctor pushing for all adults to get vaccinated for whooping cough.
By the time a baby makes that sound, Dr. Randall Knott says it's too late. They've caught whooping cough and need to be hospitalized immediately.
They cough for several seconds and then they try to catch their breath, and they have this panic look in their face, and then they struggle to get a breath in, and that's the whoop.
And Knott, who's an assistant professor of pediatrics at UNMH, says that sound is becoming more and more common in our state's emergency rooms.
We've had a surge of whooping cough cases across the country, especially in New Mexico.
300 cases of whooping cough, also known as pertussis, in this state this year alone. And Dr. Knott says it's up to us, anyone over age 11, to get vaccinated to stop this illness from spreading.
If their doctor doesn't have it in their office, they can get it for free at Public Health.
Babies can't get vaccinated until they're 2 months old, so those first 60 days of life is when they're most vulnerable.
In fact, 3/4 of the deaths of whooping cough in babies happen in the first 2 months.
And that's why he says the more adults can do to interrupt the spread of whooping cough,
The better it's going to be.
Laura Terrain, KOAT, Action 7 News.
The adult vaccine is called Tdap, and Dr. Knott says it's important everyone ask their doctor for it.